This is a video for 12/7. Please, if you missed class today, then send in the answers to this video. I mentioned in class that a little change in the final exam. You can either decide to have one piece that you talk about and the vocabulary, or you can do no vocabulary but decide to have two pieces that you talk about. So you get to actually decide that, because we haven't spent a lot of time on these vocabulary and technical terms, but we will do a little bit so today. So I'm practicing our technical terms. So if you may need the sheet that has all the vocabulary to help you out this. So let's pretend this. TBT is closed on Sunday, but didn't you hear the story about Kelvin being here last Sunday at 7 a.m.? B'mai okimta. So figure out what B'mai okimta means, and then what would come next. That's question number 1 after we say B'mai okimta. Okay. 9th grade and 12th grade are tied for spirit points. Kule ama lo pligi. And then the 12th grade is way behind, and here's the proof. So what is Kule alma lo plige, and what kind of proof would you have? That's questions 2 and 3. Students are late to taking the SAT. They automatically get a 0 on their permanent record, and they are not allowed to take the SAT ever again. The test starts at 8:30 a.m. If TBT decides to create a Siag LaTorah, she would have kids arrive for the SAT at what time? That's question number 4. In this week's Torah portion, Joseph was thrown into a pit. The pit was empty, and the Torah says the pit was empty, there was no water in it. Rashi would definitely say there is a kushya here. What's the kushya? The pit was empty, there was no water in it. What's the kushya? That's question 5. Question 6 is, what's the teirutz? That's question 7. Okay, I understand the school is against cheating, and I understand TBT has an ironclad rule that only giving take-home tests during finals. But because of the principle, 8 lasot lashem, they have decided to do what? That's question number 8. Question number 9. Latchila, I had an amazing outfit all picked out to wear for picture day for tomorrow. Then I'm at school then I went to school and I found the picture day was today. I've decided that b'di'eved what? Question number 9. Okay, and question number 10. It's California. Why would anyone be wearing gloves here? Ibait ema. What comes next? That's question 11. It's California. That's why I never see anyone wearing gloves here in the winter. Tashma, what should come next? That's question 12. Question 13. It's California. That's why I never see anyone wearing gloves here in the winter. Uriminhu. What should come next? 13. Yonah said he will only be able to take the Talmud final at 8:45. Omer says he will only be able to take the final right when school starts each day. My benaihu, Ika benaihu. Right? So my benaihu means what is the difference between them, because they seem to be saying the same thing. Ika benaihu, there is a difference between them. So question number 14 is think about what could be a difference between them, a practical difference. Miss Quigley said that reading day is casual day for staff. Tashma, I saw Mr. B in a tuxedo. Hachi ka'amrile. Question number 15. Hachi ka'amrile means this is what Miss Quigley really meant to say when she said this. What did she really mean to say? That's question 15. Question 16. For the first day of Hanukkah, the class surprised Rabbi Light with a great surprise. Ini v'ha. Here's the Maaseh. Rabbi Light came to class wearing a dreidel outfit on the first day of Hanukkah, and every time someone would ask a question, he would spin it. So question number 17 is, what is Ini v'ha doing, and how does this Maaseh show that this up here is not correct? That's question number 17. Okay, so we're going to leave this PowerPoint, and we're going to go actually to the ping and pong of Hanukkah. And so this is what we've discussed so far. We've discussed there's something called a stam, or a normal house. There's a Mahadrin house, and there's a Mahadrin mina Mahadrin. There's also yogurt called Mahadrin yogurt and Mahadrin dairy products. the cars, right? There's a stam auto, a mahadrin auto, mahadrin mina mahadrin. So we're getting the sense of what about tzedakah? There's normal tzedakah, there's mahadrin tzedakah, mahadrin mina mahadrin. So we're getting the sense of like normal is just like normal, mahadrin is better, mahadrin mina mahadrin is actually best. And we had people kind of create these different pictures. And then now we got to this kind of this, here is the piece on Hanukkah that we discussed. So our rabbis taught in a following teaching in a Braita, Tnu Rabbanan. That's our technical term. That means our rabbis taught the following teaching in a Braita. The main mitzvah of Hanukkah, as far as candle lighting is concerned, is that one should light. And then we're going to get 3 different opinions here. And opinion number 3 is going to be divided into 2. So the first idea is just the normal way of lighting, ner ish uveito, a candle, a person, and his household, right? So basically saying the main mitzvah of Hanukkah, each and every night, just light 1 candle per house. So it's the family of 1 candle, family of 5, 1 candle, family of 10, 1 candle. Then we get to the mahadrin. Mahadrin, those people who are running after the mitzvah more, want to do more, ner lechol echad ve'echad, meaning each and every person in the house, each and every night gets 1 candle. So a family of 1, 1 candle, family of 5, 5 candles, family of 10, 10 candles. Okay? And then we get to the idea, umahadrin min hamahadrin. But what if you want to fulfill the mitzvah of lighting candles, the best of all? And here we get 2 different opinions. Beit Shammai has an opinion, and Beit Hillel have a opinion. Question number 18 is, what is Beit Shammai's position? Question number 19 is, what is Beit Hillel's? What is the House of Hillel's position? Okay, and then question number 20. According to the words of the Talmud that you just read, draw the different ways of lighting. For the purpose of this drawing, let us assume that it's the evening going into day 2, and there are 3 people who live in your home. Okay, so question number 20, you're going to have to draw this out, is the stam one. 21 is the mahadrin position. And then mahadrin mina mahadrin is 22. We're going to call Shammai. 23 is Beit Hillel. Okay? According to the words of the Talmud that you just read above, draw the different ways of lighting. For the purpose of this drawing, let us assume that it is the evening going to day 1, and there's 5 people living in your home. So 24 will be the stam position. 25 will be mahadrin. 26 is Shammai. 27 is Hillel. Okay? And the final question is, we're not going to do that one yet. The final question is, Hillel and Shammai both give different ideas of why their mahadrin, mina mahadrin position should be. But what do you think is their logic behind their positions, and which one seems to be more correct to you? So 28 is, and I gave you some things to think about: days coming, days have left, optimism, pessimism, single cruse of oil that is found, or something else. So question number 28 is, and part A and part B is, part A 28 is, why does Hillel, question number 8 is, what do you think is the main reason for them picking what they're picking? And B is, actually, no, we're going to do that. 28 will be, which of the 2 positions? Shammai is start big and get small. Hillel is start small and get big. Which position do you believe is the more logical one? Hillel's or Shammai? And so A is Hillel or Shammai, B is Y. And that's it for today. Thank you very much.